2016 Cedar Creek Silverback edition. This is the 37BH, which is 39 foot 11 long. It's in immaculate condition. Trail air hitch on the front, so you have the airbag for added comfort. 6-point self leveling system. LED light strip on the front. Big awning. It has 4 push-outs. Underbelly storage. LED lighting up underneath. Outdoor speakers. Cathedral style roofs, which you don't see on many models. It's fantastic. Nothing sits on top of it, all just runs away with rain and any little leaves and debris. Nice mag wheels, self-adjusting brakes, outdoor kitchen with LED lighting. The grill attaches right here and has a gas line just in behind that. You have your hot and cold running water, microwave, fridge, cupboards. They're all stainless on rollers. Round to the back. Up the top you have a reverse camera. It has twin air conditioning units. Comes with the bike hitch, which is a 4 bicycle bike hitch. Ladder. Being a bunkhouse, this is 2 bunks on this side and there's 1 on the other side above the outdoor kitchen. Just a beautiful unit. You can see the reflection of the trees and the gel coat.